Hi friends, I hope you guys are doing well today. Do you recognize what I have in front of me? This is from our classroom. Miss Kristen went to school the other day. It was okay for me to go to school because there was nobody there. So I was nice and safe, and I went to school and I got some of our materials so that I could bring them home and we could show your families because your families don't get to see a lot of the stuff that we use at school. So these are some of our geometric solids that we have in our sensorial area. Now I only have 3 right now. The rest of them are off camera. You can't see them. But we will talk about maybe 3 at a time, okay? So our geometric solids are figures that are 3-dimensional. So let's see if you can remember what this one is called. We talk a lot about this one when we do our birthday celebrations because we make our earth, and the earth is this shape. And remember, it's not a circle. A circle is flat, and that's a 2-dimensional figure. This is a sphere. Did you say sphere? Did you remember sphere? A sphere. It's like a ball. Then our next figure is not a square because again a square is flat. This is a 3-dimensional figure. Cube. This is a cube. And this one, a lot of friends at school like to turn it around and pretend that we put a sphere of ice cream on top. And then we go, oh, that's delicious. So this must be called a cone, like an ice cream cone. So we have a sphere, cube, cone. I'm going to put our labels with it. Let's see. This says sphere. Can you see that? Sphere. This says cube. And this says cone. Now, what I thought would be fun for you to do today with your family is maybe you could go around your house and see if you can find objects that are spheres and cubes and cones. I already did that this morning, and I have a little basket of things that I collected. I'm going to move the camera down to see if you can see my work on my rug, okay? Let's see. Okay, I think you will be able to see. So, maybe the first one we can do is the sphere. Now, I walked around my house and I collected a few things that I found that are spheres. Like the tennis ball. That's a sphere. Or this little basketball. That's a sphere. And what about this one that I found? Do you see the top of this? It's a snow globe. Is that a sphere? Now let's look at the cube. I found a few things that are the same as this cube here. I have a little box that's a cube. And I found another little bit smaller box that's a cube. And wait till you see this one because you'll know what this box is. Do you remember our little turtle poem? This is the cube that we use for our little turtle, and we'll do that a different day. Now I'm going to slide these over and show you some of the cones that I found. I found a few cones. Cones were a little bit tricky to find, but I think I found some. Does that look like a cone? What about the top of my glue? Is that a cone? Just this part here, just the orange. And then I found another part. Just the top of this would be cone. Can you see that? So, my friends, maybe you can go around your house with your family and you can find some cones, some cubes, and some spheres. But ask Mommy and Daddy first if you can use an object in your house, because some things are kind of breakable, right? Like my snow globe is made of glass, so I was really careful to carry it with 2 hands so that it didn't break. So ask your mommy and daddy or whoever you're with if it's okay if you use a certain object for that game. And if you play this game, maybe mom and dad can take a nice picture of you and show me all of the objects you found at your house. Okay, I'd love to see it. I miss you guys, and I will be back for another video tomorrow. Have a good day, my friends. Bye.